Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 9i and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one is using a secret code and it is the fastest way, and the second is using the settings, and of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with the faster one. So the code, we have to open the dialer because this is the place where we will enter it, and the code is quite easy. It's *##06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me tap on OK, and now I can show you the second way to check this number. It will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So we can enter the settings. We actually have to enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. Here all we have to do is to simply enter the status, which should be in the left lower corner, and as you can see here we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and on the same page we've got also a serial number right here. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number using two different ways in your Realme 9i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.